Every process begins beneath the open sky. Timing defines the harvest.
Machines free the crop.
Human hands finish the job. Volume builds fast. Quality starts early. Preparation begins. Movement creates momentum. Flow converges.
Prompt 10. Weighing. Visual. Crates weighed digitally. Camera. Tilt up. Sound. Beep. Connection. Cued. Narration. Precision begins.
Freshness locked in. Harvest heads for transformation. Distance begins. Destination appears.
Scale defines production.
Every arrival synchronized. Raw onions meet system.
Handling preserves quality.
Flow replaces labor.
Prompt 30. Intake prep. Visual. Straps cut open. Camera. Close track. Sound. Cutting. Connection. Tilt to hopper. Narration. Preparation immediate.
Gravity starts process.
Human ideas matter.
Design serves efficiency. Cleanliness enforced. Every step monitored.
Factory takes control.
Every surface exposed. Preparation continues.
Prompt 41. Reject shoot. Visual. Rejected onions drop. Camera. Tilt. Sound. Impact. Connection. Main flow steady. Narration. Only best proceed.
Technology selects.
Accuracy. Accuracy at speed.
Uniformity matters.
Final cleanse. Dry surfaces protect.
Prompt 47. Buffer zone. Visual. Brief accumulation. Camera. Wide tighten. Sound. Idle hum. Connection. Gate opens. Narration. Flow paste.
Core process begins.
Layers stripped.
Efficiency engineered. Slicing blades. Uniform slices cut. Consistency engineered.
Prompt 52, thickness control, visual, slice thickness adjusted, camera, push in, sound, clicks, connection, stable feed, narration, uniform drying ensured civils.
One onion, many forms.
Flake conveyor, visual, slices align for flakes, camera, tracking, sound, belts, connection to dryers, narration, dehydration prepared.
Powder begins here.
Prompt 56, pre-drying spread, visual, slices spread evenly, camera, side pan, sound, belt hum, connection, even load, narration, uniform heat.
Water must leave.
Prompt 58 tape. Visual. Trays enter dryer. Camera. Forward. Sound.
Transformation starts. Conditions set. Water removed betime. Moisture escapes.
As the flakes move through the drying chamber, their texture is meticulously monitored. A precise adjustment ensures the
Fineness preserved.
Prompt 65 boom. Visual, controlled cooling, camera, side pan, sound, air, connection, even color, narration, appearance set.
Prompt 66, cooling conveyor, visual, product exits dryer, camera, tracking, sound, fans, connection, temperature drops, narration, heat leaves.
Dryness confirmed.
Prompt 69 final cooling, visual ambient cooling, camera, pan, sound, air, connection to milling, narration, ready for next.
Consistency ensured. Particle size achieved.
Version. The audio features a male narrator speaking, accompanied by the sounds of machinery and conveyors.
Systems synchronized. Timing defines efficiency. Clean systems last. Capacity meets demand. Safety without stopping. Flow never rushed.
Prompt 81, diagnostics, visual, system health green, camera, push in, sound, chime, connection, next stage, narration, stability confirmed. Prompt 84, handoff, visual, enter finishing zone, camera, forward, sound, steady, connection, open area, narration, refinement begins.
Balance prevents loss. Purity refined.
Prompt 85, precision infeed, visual, even distribution, camera, forward, sound, flow, connection, units fed, narration, control is precise.
Prompt 87, metal detection.
Visual, foreign body detection. Camera, close.
Sound, beep, connection, connect air.
Prompt 89, visual, exact temp maintained, camera, glide, sound, ticks, connection to tanks, narration, conditions locked. Prompt 90 finishing bins. Visual, short resting bins. Camera, crane. Sound, gentle movement. Connection, sensors steady. Narration, product rests. Prompt 91 puni. Color and moisture read. No. Sound, pulses. Connection, green. Narration, specs confirmed.
Approved to pack. No compromise.
Prompt 94-2. Visual, final buffer bins. Camera, overhead. Sound, hum.
Precision meets presentation. Presentation begins.
Quality verified.
Every batch counts.
Prompt 99 moisture test loom. Visual, analyzer reads moisture. Camera, macro, sound, beep, connection, logged. Narration, dryness quantified.
Consistency checked. Appearance matters.
Safety invisible. The flow rate stabilizes, confirming consistent performance. Quality standards are met.
Prompt 104, data verification, visual, lab versus production logs, camera, OTS, sound, screen taps, connection, align, narration, numbers agree.
Green light given. Records preserved. Now it's a product. Accuracy matters. Sealed for protection.
Prompt 111, labeling visual, labels applied, camera, dolly, sound, rollers, connection, dates visible, narration, identity applied.
Traceability permanent. Speed meets consistency. Order at scale. Protected for journey. Awaiting dispatch. Routes planned. From factory to market. Everything accounted.
And this is how Factoria shows how modern factories produce dehydrated